Hello, you're with the Chef School channel, where I share with you my 10 years of culinary experience. And today I'm going to show you how to make crepes. Have you ever tried French crepes, but ended up with crepes that tear, stick, or turn out too thick? Today I will show you an easy French crepe recipe anyone can master at home. Plus the one detail most people overlook: the perfect crepe recipe butter consistency. Stay until the end because one simple technique will instantly improve your crepes and give you that thin, delicate French finish every time. Firstly, melt the butter directly in the pan you will use for cooking the crepes. This adds flavor, prevents sticking, and saves dishes. Once melted, set aside. We will add it later. This small step already upgrades any crepe recipe. In a bowl, add flour, eggs, sugar, and salt. Now add half of the milk and mix vigorously. At this stage, the butter should be thick and resistant. This is crucial for controlling crepe batter consistency. If you add all the milk at once, you lose control, and that's why crepes fail. This way you can easily prevent lumps forming. Now add the remaining milk and mix until smooth. The ideal crepe batter consistency should slowly fall off the spoon and look smooth, not lumpy. This consistency is what gives you perfect thin and moist crepes every time. If necessary, you can add a bit more water or milk to thin out the batter a bit more. Lastly, add the melted butter into the batter and mix. Your crepe batter is now ready to use. This is what a perfect, easy crepe recipe batter should look like. To cook the crepes, heat the pan over medium-high heat. If the pan is too hot, crepes will burn. If it's too cold, they'll dry out or stick. Pour the batter while gently shaking and twisting the pan, and wait until bubbles appear and the edges set. Then flip once. No pressing, no flipping twice. Repeat the process until you finish the batter. And that's it. You have the perfect crepes every time. There are countless ways to eat these crepes. Just use your favorite toppings, mix them, or, as I love to do, just grate some cheese while the crepes are still in the pan. Flip the sides and make a nice, beautiful pocket. This is how to make crepes reliable, and it's all about mastering crepe batter consistency, because that's what makes or breaks crepes. If this video helped you in any way, please like it, subscribe for more cooking tips, and let me know in the comments how your crepes turned out. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.